Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. I guess you are doing fine wherever you're watching this video from. All right, so I've got this person right here. Okay, and this person went to borrow this money. Okay, and he plans to repay it in 15 years. So now, if the interest rate is 3.7%, find the monthly payment. So how do we calculate the monthly payment? Okay, it's very important that you understand the formula. So the formula looks like this. This is a formula that we use to find the monthly payment. So this formula is very simple to know. Okay, so of R is equal to Pi over 1 minus 1 plus I inside the brackets power negative n. So now out of this same formula, for it to work, we need to identify all these things. So we start with P. What is a P? P is the money that is being borrowed. Okay, so that's the principal. The principal here is 175,000. And then for I, the I will be, you get the percentage or the rate, okay? You put it in decimal over the number of months in a year. So since we're dealing with months, so the number of months in a year is 12. So it will be 3.7. So now this is a percentage. Putting it in decimal, you divide it by 100. Okay? So after dividing it by 100, the answer that you get. So let me see the answer that I'm getting. Let me see the answer that I'm getting. So 3.7 divide by 100. You always remember to divide it by 100. So I'm getting 37 over 1,000. Okay, so now this new answer, or let me put it in decimal point, in decimal form. So this new answer, which is 0.037, you divide it by 12. This is the number of months in a year, so 12 months. So when you do so, you get 37 over 12,000. So this is what you get. When you divide by 12, yeah, this is what you get. Hopefully you can see what I'm getting on my calculator. All right, so I've identified our I. So in other words, on this same I, if you want, you can just say I is equal to R over M. M is the number of months, which is a 12, okay? Because it's monthly, so it's a 12. So our R is the one which is on top here. Divide by the M, which is a 12 right here. And you get your answer to be like this. All right. So we now go to the N. Remember our formula has got N here. So how do you identify your N? Your N will simply be M multiplied by T. So what is our M? It's a 12. Okay, number of months in a year, which is a 12. And T is the time. It's 15 there, 15 years. So you just multiply 12 by 15. And what are we getting? Of course, we're getting a 180. So when you multiply, you're getting 180. So upon getting all this data, you are now free to plug it in your formula. Our P there, it's right here. I've put my P, which is the principal. Okay, what this person is getting, and our I, of course, is 37 over 12,000. Okay, and then we say everything over 1 minus 1 plus, what is our I? Is 37 over 12,000. You close power the power here, our n is 180. So we put the negative here, so it will be negative 180. Okay, and when we work out on our calculator, we work out this depending on the calculator that you are using. If you are using a smaller calculator, make sure to follow order of operation. So we have this right here. I'm putting on my calculator. Hopefully somebody is able to see. Open bracket 37 over 12,000, and then close, divide. Okay, so I've written this, it's right here on top. Divide by 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 37 over 12,000. Okay, and close there, power there, negative 180. All right, so when I punch this on my calculator, what answer am I getting? I'm getting a 1,268.3. I'll just end here. So this person is supposed to pay this amount each month, okay, for the loan. So he's supposed to pay this amount. And this is the solution for question A, okay? Now for B, find the total interest. So to find the total interest, let me do it from here. What we're going to do is to just find the interest in each month or in each year. So we're going to say 12 times, okay? 12 times, or the amount in each month. So we're going to say 12 times the amount that we found, which is this right here. Okay, so what are we getting when we multiply 12 times 1,268.3? We are getting a 15,219. Okay, 0.6. I guess you're able to see. So this is for the year. So in a year, this person is paying this amount. So now what about in 15 years? What is he going to pay? So you say 15 times 15,219.6. So when you multiply by 15, you're getting a 228,000, okay, 28,294. So this is what this person is getting right here, okay? Like, I mean, is what he's going to pay, okay, for the entire loan. So now, after finding this, remember we're working on question B. After finding this, you just come and say 228,294 pounds minus what he borrowed, the principal, which is this amount. Remember in the question, the principal is right here. So when you subtract, what are you getting? Let me subtract. What are we getting? We are getting a 53,294 pounds. So remember, these are pounds, meaning the total interest is right here. So let me just go through the last part with you. So when you answer question 1, what this person is getting in a month, for you to find the total interest, you are supposed to find how much this person is paying in a year. So for a year, because this is for a month, the one we found, this amount is for a month. So multiply the answer that you get on question A by 12 months in a year. And when you find the answer, which is right here, you come and multiply this answer by 15 years, and you get this amount here. And after getting this amount, you subtract this amount, what the principal, from what you found here, and the answer that you get is the total interest right here. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. This has been Sichamba Jacob. Bye.